Canadian government has announced that they are planning to invite 1.2 million immigrants by 2023. So watch this video till the end. I'll be sharing all the details about this announcement. Before we proceed, if you're coming for the first time and you haven't subscribed the channel, please press the subscribe button so that you can get any video update about Canada immigration. Let's continue. This year, Canadian government planned to invite 341,000 immigrants, but after March, the pandemic hit and everything went on hold. Because of that, they are short of 200,000 immigrants for this year, and I'm sure that they will not be able to meet the target. But the good news is immigrants are the backbone of Canadian economy. So if Canadian government has to recover the economy from this pandemic, they need to invite immigrants, they need to invite international students. And that is the reason last week they have announced that they are increasing the targets to invite the immigrants. So by 2023, they are planning to invite 1.2 million immigrants. And of course, in order to achieve that target, they will have to launch new pilot programs and they will have to conduct large express entry draws like you are seeing in past 3 weeks. Large express entry draws are happening, which is 4,500 people are being sent ITA in most of the express entry draws. So they will have to take some actions. Let's talk about if the CRS will be low or not, how this will benefit you. Let's talk about the breakdown of this 1.2 million across these 3 years. So in 2021, they are planning to invite 401,000 immigrants. In 2022, they are planning to invite 411,000 immigrants, and in 2023 they are planning to invite 421,000 immigrants. So it will make 1.2 million approximately. And so far, this is the biggest target that Canada government has set to invite so many immigrants, 400,000, right, in a year. It happened last time in 1913, which was, let's say, 80 years ago. So no draw, no target of immigrants in a year came close to 400,000. So as I mentioned, for this year as well, it was 341,000. So they have increased the target. And the reason is, I already mentioned, Canadian economy depends on immigrants. Real estate market in Canada is right now taking a huge hit. Condo market is crashed. People are not going to offices. They are working remote. New immigrants are not coming. Rental market is almost crashed. Airbnb market is also crashed. That is in turn hitting the Canadian economy. Another reason is that Canada has one of the oldest world's population, which is 18% of the population is more than 65 years of age. So a lot of people are going to retire next year, next to next year. And that is one of the reasons why Canadian government is planning to invite so many immigrants. Another reason is they need younger population. Canada has one of the lowest birth rates, which is 1.47 births per woman. So that is the reason they want to invite younger generation, and obviously they will settle down here. They will increase their family in Canada. They will come with their families, maybe with kids, and in turn that will also boost up the economy. And another good thing is that out of that 1.2 billion, 60% of the immigrants will be invited in economy class programs, which includes express entry program as well. And that is one of the reasons why there was some changes happened for French speaking candidates. That was another video that we have shared on this channel. You can check this out. So these kind of changes will keep on happening. CRS will have to drop if Canadian government has to meet the target of 2021. So this is the best time that you prepare for your Canada immigration. You prepare for the files, you prepare for IELTS exam. And to prepare for IELTS, I will suggest you to go to Skillshare. That's an amazing app. It has courses on IELTS, it has courses on French, or maybe you are planning to do any courses on your personality development, or you want to increase your technical skills, because in order to get job in Canada, you will have to have a technical skills, maybe agile, maybe a business analyst, CBAP course, project management course. So you're sitting at home. If you're not thinking of planning to come to Canada, you can learn some technical skills. If you're planning to come to Canada, there are tons of trainings available for IELTS exam, especially for writing, because you will not find a lot of trainings on writing module of IELTS. So go through that. It is very cheap. It is under $10 per month and there are no ads. So there won't be any distraction. But the good news is this video is sponsored by Skillshare. First 1,000 users who will click on the link which is there in the description will get free Skillshare premium membership. So don't miss this opportunity. Click on the link, start preparing for your IELTS exam or do any other course. For $10 you will have access to all the courses which are there on the portal. So utilize the benefit. And after doing all the courses, after arranging all your documents, if you need any legal advice from IRCC registered licensed consultant, you can go to this link, book your appointment and talk to the licensed consultant, and he will be able to answer your queries about immigration programs. Because the target is so huge, 1.2 million, 60% of the immigrants will be invited in economic class program, but 40% of the immigrants will be invited on other programs. If you're not eligible for express entry program, there are other programs as well. So maybe you can talk to registered IRCC consultant and you can check if your score is low, which will be suitable program for you. Now you must be aware of the last draw that happened in express entry. The CRS cutoff was 478, which was high. So you must be wondering, if they are planning to invite 1.2 million, why they are increasing the CRS cutoff, right? But the reason for that was there was no express entry draw happened before that. So there was a gap of 21 days. That was one of the reason why CRS cutoff increased from 471 to 478. And the second reason was the changes that they have done for the French speakers. Obviously on the website it was mentioned that there won't be any CRS draw this week because they are updating the profile. So all the profiles who had some French language capabilities, they were updating their files, they were updating their scores. So if they keep on doing draws regularly, obviously 478 will for sure drop to 474 or 473. And again, if they have to meet the target for this year and for next 3 years, CRS has to come down, or they will have to do bigger draws like 4,500. 4,500 was the biggest draw. And maybe in 2021, they will start doing a draw of 5,500 people, right? If they have to achieve the target, they will have to do bigger draws, or they will have to launch other programs where they have low criterias for IELTS or maybe work experience or some other pilot programs. So let's see what's there in the future. Another good thing is, you know that US election happened and Trump did not win. That might also work in your favor if you're planning to come to Canada. So I would say all in all, it's a good news. If you're planning to come to Canada, you're already doing what you can do in order to get ITA. But even if you're not thinking to come to Canada, you must check all your videos. And this is the right time to prepare for Canada. This is the right time to prepare your file. And by the time you will get an ITA, maybe after 6 months or 1 year, job market will be better here in Canada. Real estate market will be better as well, because I mentioned real estate market is crazy. Condo market is crashed, but house prices are overpriced right now because banks are reducing the interest rate and people are buying houses. Although there are very less listings available, but because of the low interest rate, people are buying houses like crazy. Next year, there is a prediction that it might crash, but no one can say anything about Canadian real estate market. So all in all, don't bother about this real estate market or job market. By the time you will get an ITA, you will get Canadian PR next year, everything should be streamlined. So again, if this was helpful, do not leave without liking the video, commenting down below and subscribe the channel. We will keep on posting these kind of educational videos, and do not forget to avail the Skillshare offer. You're getting a very good deal, and this is only available for first 1,000 members. So link is in the description, click down below. Till next time, stay safe and stick around.